Hello and welcome back. After learning factorization method, let us learn one more method to solve a quadratic equation, and this method is called as formula method. Very simple method. You have to remember a formula. Put the values of A, B and C. Once you get the values of A, B, C, you will use the formula. The formula is this way. Whichever variable you have, suppose the variable is X, is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this formula you have to by heart. So as you can see in this formula, we want the values of a, b and c. So first step 1 to do this formula method is write the equation in standard form. So first step is write the equation in standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So after you write the equation in standard form, you will find out, step number 2, you will find out the values of, what is the value of a, b and c. Okay, so after comparing with the standard form, you will get the value of a, b, c. And last step number 3 is use the formula and substitute the values. Use the formula and substitute the values. Whatever values you got for A, B, C, put in this formula. And you get both the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. So let's start with practice at 2.4. Take the question. So the first question of practice at 2.4 we have: compare the given quadratic equations to general form and write values of A, B, C. Let us write this quadratic equation. It is already in standard form. So I'll write the solution. I'll write standard form. It is already in standard form, so no tension. Standard form is x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Now we will compare it with the general formula. Comparing with the general formula. What is the general formula of a quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So comparing with the general formula ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the values of a, the value of a will be, the value of a, just compare these two. Here nothing means it is 1. So a is 1, b equal to, b place you have minus 7 and c is equal to 5. That's it. Over for sum. Now second question. The second equation is 2m square equal to 5m minus 5. Again you will write it in standard form. So standard form let us write. Whichever terms are missing, you will substitute it with 0. Let us see here. The standard form will be 2m square. 5m comes to the other side, minus 5m. Minus 5 comes to this side, plus 5 equal to 0. Write in standard form. After that, comparing with the general formula, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is 2, b is minus 5 and c is 5. Done? Same way, take the third equation. The third equation given is y square equal to 7y. Let us write it in standard form. So the standard form, whichever terms are missing, we will substitute it with 0. Okay. So y square as it is. 7y comes to the other side, minus 7y. Then the constant we will write it as plus 0 equal to 0. Now comparing with the general formula comparing with the general formula. What is the general formula? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In the previous sum, I think I wrote a standard form. Comparing with the general formula is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The values of a equal to, what is the value of a? A here is 1, b equal to, b is minus 7 and c equal to 0. These are the values of a, b and c. Please make the change in the second sum. I think so I wrote here standard form. Comparing with the general formula, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The values of a, b and c are as follows. Now let us use this formula method. Let us use this formula method to solve. So here they have given the questions in that way. What is the question? Solve using formula. One method we know by factorization. This is second method to solve quadratic equation by using formula method. So copy the first sum and then we will solve using the formula. Question is solve using formula. Solve this quadratic equation using formula or formula method. First what we will do is solution. Let us compare it with the general formula and find out the values of a, b and c. Comparing equation is x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0 with the general formula. Comparing the equation with the general formula, you get general formula is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a equal to, a will be 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Okay, half marks. Comparing with the general formula, write the general formula, find out the value of a, b, c. Half marks you will get here. Now, which is the variable? X. So, the value of x will be, this is our formula, x is equal to minus b, what was the formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If you want, you can directly put the values and get the answer, or you can first find out what is the root of b square minus 4ac and later on put it in this formula. So we will do by that way. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to, let us first find out this part. b square minus 4ac will be, b is how much? 6. 6 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 5. Get 6 square is 36 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. So 36 minus 20, you are getting 16. Okay, so you got b square minus 4ac as 16. I'll write b square minus 4ac is equal to 16 and highlight it. Okay, once I get that, I will put it in the formula. So after this, b square minus 4ac we got 16. Therefore, continue. X is equal to minus b plus and minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Formula I wrote. Now substitute. Minus b. b is 6. So minus b means minus 6. Plus or minus root of, we got b square minus 4ac as 16. So here you will write 16 upon 2 into a. 2 into a means 2 into 1. A is 1. Solve the part. What are we getting? Equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 16, 4 upon 2 ones are 2. So the value of x will be, therefore, x is equal to minus 6, first I will take the positive sign, plus 4 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6. Next time here I took plus, now I will take minus 4 upon 2. Okay, solve it further. What are you getting? Solve this part further. Solve this. You'll get, therefore x is equal to minus into plus minus, 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 is bigger number, minus 2 upon 2, or x is equal to minus and minus is plus, 6 plus 4 is 10, 6 greater number, so minus sign upon 2. So you have x is equal to, this will be minus 1, or x is equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are minus 5. This is our answer. These are the roots of the given equation. So final answer you can write minus 1 comma minus 5 are the roots of given equation. Given equation. And get your 3 marks. 3 to 4 marks. Okay. 6 sums you have in that practice set where you will be using formula method. All the 6 sums I will not solve. I told you, I gave you the formula. You can easily solve it. Some sums which I feel that we both should solve together, those sums I will solve it with you. So sum number 2, homework. You have to try it on your own. Sum number 3, I have written the question. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equal to 0. So solution. What will you write? Comparing, this is already in standard form. Comparing the equation, write down the equation. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equal to 0 with general formula. Comparing with the general formula, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a is equal to, a is 3, b equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Okay, the next step we will find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to, b is 2. 2 square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is minus 7. Okay, 2 square will be 4, minus and minus will become plus, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 7 will be 84. Okay, so this will be 84 plus 4, 88. Okay, so we got b square minus 4ac as 88. Highlight that. B square minus 4ac is equal to 88. Now after this, we will use the formula. Okay, so this part I will just erase it off. Therefore, after this step, therefore, which is the variable here? M. So we will write M is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. For writing this formula, you will get 1 mark. Top secret. Even though the calculation is wrong, please write the formula correctly, which is equal to minus b was minus 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, we got 88 upon 2 into a was 3, so 2 into 3, 6, which is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, let us factorize 88. 88 can be written as root of 8 into 11, right? 8 into 11. Now 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 and 11. So 1, 2 will jump out. Okay, understood the calculation? Root of 88, if you want, I'll write 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 upon 2 3s are 6. Now out of this 1, 2 will come out. So we have minus 2 plus or minus 1, 2 jumps out. And inside the root you have 2 into 11, that is 22 upon 6. This is m. So after this, what will be the value of m, 2 roots that we are going to get? The 2 roots will be, therefore, m is equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 22 upon 6. Minus 2 as it is. First we will consider the positive sign. Plus 2 root 22 upon 6, or m is equal to minus 2. Now we will take the minus sign. Plus already taken. Next we will consider the minus sign. Minus 2 root 22 upon 6. So these are the two possibilities. If you want, you can take 2 common. If you take 2 common, therefore m is equal to, if I am taking 2 common, then what I will get is minus 1 plus root of 22 upon 6. 2 I took common. So from here 2 went out. 2 divided by 2, minus 1. 2 went out, so only root 22 remains. Or m is equal to, again 2 we will take common. 2 coming out. What is remaining is minus 1 minus root 22 upon 6. Now 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Can cancel. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So the final roots that I am getting are m is equal to minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3, or m is equal to minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. One will be plus and the other will be minus. I hope you understood how I took 2 common. See children, this is one part and this is the second part. From both the terms, I took 2 common. So once I took 2 common from the first term, 2 divided by 2, 1. From here 2 went out, so only that root 22 remains. Don't divide 22 by 2. No. This is the method. So these are the 2 answers for the third equation. If you didn't understand how did I take 2 common, I'll explain it once again. Just pay attention. Now see, I'll write it separately. Minus 2 plus 2 root 22 upon 6. This is one part, one term, and this is the second term. From both terms, I can take 2 common. So 2 went out, so 2 I am taking common. What remains is, from here 2 gone out, so 2 divided by 2 I'll get 1. Put the sign plus. 2 went out, so if I divide by 2, this 2 and 2 cancel. No? So what remains is root 22 upon 6. Same way from these two, this is one term and this is the second term. 2 went out, so 2 is gone out. What remains is minus 1 minus root 22 upon 6. Then 2 ones are, 2 threes are, you cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, you cancelled. So one is minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3. And the next root is minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. Practice it once again. Now I have taken the fifth sum because the fourth sum again, it is looking the same way. You can easily find out the values of A, B and C. If you see the fourth sum, A will be 5, B will be minus 4 and C will be minus 2. Use the formula and get the answer. Fifth equation I selected. We will do that together. This is the equation. We don't like numerator. We don't like integer onto the denominator. So here you can see 3 coming onto the denominator. We will try to get rid of that denominator. So what we will do? We will multiply by 3. And if you are multiplying to one term, you have to multiply throughout. So 3 is onto the denominator. We will multiply by 3 throughout. Let us write. Multiplying equation by 3 throughout. Multiply by 3 throughout. So what you get is 3y square plus 3 and 3 cancel. So you will have only a y equal to 3 2s are 6. Correct? We'll multiply by 3 throughout. So this 3 cancel. This will be 3y square plus y equal to 6. Let us write it in standard form. So the standard form will be standard form 3y square plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Standard form मिल गया. अभी हम compare करेंगे with general formula. So comparing with general formula. Comparing with general formula. I didn't use the word equation here because I have used it before. That's why. Comparing with the general formula, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a as a is 3, b is 1 and c is minus 6. A, B, C if you get over, you can substitute in the formula and get both the roots. So pause the video, solve and then see whether our answer match or not. Okay. So I'll just delete this part off. I want A, B, C. We have y equal to, variable is y, don't write x. Y equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Just anyway, once you have to write the formula. You can write now or after you get b square minus 4ac, all that doesn't make much difference. Okay, I'll find out. B square minus 4ac is how much? B is 1, 1 square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is minus 6. So I have 1 minus and minus plus. 4 3s are 12 and 12 6s are 72. 72 plus 1 is 73. Not a perfect square. No. This formula, therefore, y is equal to minus b plus or minus root of 73 upon minus b is how much? Minus b, b was 1. So minus 1, b was 1, no? Yes. Minus 1 plus or minus root of 73 upon 2 into a. A we got 3. A was 3. Yes. A was 3. So we have therefore y is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6 or y is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. Minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6 minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. You can't take any number common, so these are the roots. Write the final answer. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay. Coming to the last sum, the sixth sum. 2 sums I gave you for your practice. Get it. Sixth question we have. So first we will write comparing the equation with general formula ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a as 5, b as 13 and c as 8. Okay, a is 5, b 13 and c is 8. Therefore, what will be the values? What is the formula? Here the variable is x. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Many a times it happens if you don't practice the formula much during you write the exam. In the examination hall, there is a huge confusion. Minus was here or minus was there. What was the sign? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2 into a. 2a. Let us find out b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to b, we got 13. 13 square minus 4 into a is 5 and c is 8. Correct? Properly written. 13 square is 169 minus 4 5s are 20. 20 into 8 is 160. 169 minus 160 will give you 9. Such a relief. Okay. You got b square minus 4ac as 9. Put it in the formula. Put it in the formula. So we have x is equal to minus 13 minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, we got 9 upon 2 into a is 5. So we have x is equal to minus 13. First we'll consider the plus sign. Plus root 9 upon 10. 2 5s are 10. Or x is equal to minus 13 minus, first we consider the plus sign, now we'll consider minus, root of 9 is 3. Okay. So next step I'll write root of 9 upon 2 5s are 10. So therefore x is equal to minus 13 plus, what is square root of 9? 3 upon 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus square root of 9 is 3 upon 10. Final answer, x is equal to minus into plus minus 13 minus 3 is 10. 13 bigger number, so minus sign upon 10. Like 6th standard kids I am teaching you. Minus into plus minus 13 minus 3 is 10. 13 is bigger number, minus sign. Or x is equal to minus and minus plus 13 plus 3 is 16. Bigger number is 13, its sign is minus upon 10. Yes, you can cancel this. 10 ones are 10 ones are. Here both the number goes in which table? 2's table. 2 8s are and 2 5s are. So our final answer will be, final answer is x is equal to, or x is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Minus 1 and minus 8 upon 5. These are the roots. So coming to the next sum. With the help of the flowchart given below, solve the equation using the formula. So they have, after you get the answer, present your answer in the form of the flowchart. Let me copy the equation. This is the next question, that is question number 3. We have to present the answer in the form of flowchart. Method is the same. This is the equation. Let us comparing the equation with general formula ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a as, a is 1, b is 2 root 3, b is 2 root 3 and c is 3. Okay, this is one question's answer. Next, find out b square minus 4ac. Therefore, b square minus 4ac will be, b square means 2 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 3. Solve this carefully. 2 square means 4 into root 3 will be 3 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So this will be 12 minus 12 which is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac we got 0. Now let us substitute in the formula. Okay. So b square minus 4ac we got 0. Therefore, variable is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, x is equal to Minus b means minus 2 root 3 plus or minus root of 0 upon 2 into a. 2 into a means 2 into 1. This will be cancelled off. Square root of 0 is 0 only. So we have x is equal to minus 2 root 3 upon 2 plus 0. First we will consider plus 0. Or x is equal to minus 2 root 3 plus 0. Now here minus 0 upon 2. So what are the roots? Next I'll write here. So the roots are, plus 0 will be the same number, no? But we can cancel 2 and 2 here and 2 and 2 here. So the roots are x is equal to minus root 3 or x is equal to minus root 3. These are both the roots. Both the roots are equal. Same roots you have. So your final answer is minus 3 or minus root 3. Minus root 3 or minus root 3. Now, as they have asked, you will draw the flow chart. And you will write the answer. For example, compare equations and find the value of a, b, c. What was a, b and c? Write the value here. Second, find the value of b square minus 4ac. We got 0. Okay. Then write the formula to solve the quadratic equation. Write the formula. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Just to write formula. I told you formula 1 mark. And last, substitute values of a, b, c and find the root. The roots are minus root 3 or minus root 3. So these are the answer. This is the answer. We have completed practice at 2.4. Kindly go through the video and solve the sums with me. We'll be meeting with the next set of sums in the next class. Till then, bye.